Imagine a world where your Wi-Fi, energy grid, or ride-sharing network isn't owned by a giant corporation, but by people like you. That's the promise of DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure. As the next big wave in Web3, DePIN combines blockchain with real-world infrastructure, letting communities build, own, and profit from physical networks together. It's not just digital anymore. Web3 is stepping into the streets, the skies, and even your home. So is DePIN just hype or the start of a new decentralized reality? Let's dive in. Today, we will talk about DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure, the next Web3 trend. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The core concept behind DePIN, at its core, DePIN allows anyone to contribute to or access physical infrastructure networks without needing permission from centralized authorities. This could include anything from individuals setting up small-scale wireless nodes in their neighborhoods to boast decentralized Wi-Fi or 5G coverage, to users deploying solar panels and contributing energy to a decentralized power grid. The basic model uses blockchain to record and verify contributions, rewards participants with crypto tokens for their involvement, and utilizes smart contracts to maintain transparent and secure governance. This permissionless and trustless model allows DePIN networks to scale globally, reduce costs, and distribute value more equitably among participants rather than concentrating profits in the hands of corporations. The rise of real-world use cases. One of the primary reasons DePIN is gaining attention is the emergence of real-world applications already showing traction. A notable example is Helium, a decentralized wireless network powered by people who set up hotspots to provide coverage and are rewarded with HNT tokens. Helium has expanded rapidly, with hundreds of thousands of nodes around the world. Similar examples include Render Network, which enables people to contribute GPU compute power for rendering tasks, and DePIN, a project that connects vehicles to a decentralized network, allowing users to monetize their vehicle data. These are not just proofs of concept. They represent functioning networks that blend physical devices and blockchain infrastructure in a way that brings real utility to users. Incentives. The engine of growth. One of the most powerful elements of DePIN is its use of token incentives to bootstrap network participation. Traditional infrastructure projects typically require huge capital investment upfront and years to recover those costs. In contrast, DePIN flips the script by incentivizing early adopters with tokens, which may appreciate in value as the network grows. This gamified, crypto-native model has proven to be an effective way of generating viral network effects. Contributors feel ownership in the success of the project, and the token model aligns incentives in a way that rewards active participation and long-term support. Additionally, governance mechanisms embedded into DePIN protocols allow contributors to vote on major decisions, ensuring the network remains community-driven rather than corporate-controlled. The infrastructure layer of Web3. Web3 is often described as the internet owned by users, built on decentralized protocols that restore control to individuals. DePIN complements this vision by providing the physical layer needed to make Web3 applications truly decentralized. Most current blockchain networks still rely on centralized internet service providers, data centers, and cloud services to function. DePIN addresses this limitation by building decentralized alternatives for connectivity, computing, and storage. As the DePIN movement grows, it could serve as the foundation for a new decentralized stack where everything, from how we connect to the internet to how we store and process data, is managed through community-owned infrastructure. In this sense, DePIN is not just a trend, but a foundational shift in how infrastructure is built and operated in the digital age. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its promise, DePIN also faces significant challenges. One of the major hurdles is regulatory uncertainty. Since DePIN projects often deal with public resources, such as radio frequency spectrum or energy distribution, they can fall under various national regulations. Navigating this landscape while remaining decentralized is a delicate balancing act. Another challenge lies in achieving scalability and efficiency. While decentralized models are inherently more resilient, they can also be less efficient than centralized counterparts, especially in the early stages of deployment. There is also a risk of token speculation overshadowing utility, where users join networks solely to earn rewards rather than contribute genuine value. Sustainability is another key concern. both in terms of environmental impact and long-term economic models that do not rely on constant token emissions. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.